seller in a town. On one fine day, he was sharing taps, 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 5 rupees taps, 10 rupees taps. After he met few sets of taps, he became very tired. He decided to sit under a big tree to take a rest for a while. Soon he slept off. There were many monkeys on the big tree. They saw the treasurer was sleeping under a big tree. The monkeys came down, took the taps from the treasurer basket and rolled them. Then they climbed the tree again. The treasurer was up. He was shocked. Tree basket empty. To search for his taps. To surprise, the monkeys were wearing them. The treasurer threw stones on the monkeys. On the monkeys threw mangoes to protect themselves from the treasurer. So the monkeys were imitating him. The treasurer had an idea. He took his taps and threw it on the grass. The monkeys also threw the taps on the grass. The treasurer collected all the taps and put them into the basket and went away happily. Moral of the story is, wisdom is better than weapons of war. Thank you.